Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna get right into it here. Short little video of a leather interior swap on this little Mustang of mine we call Sally. She's just a 6, but got plans for either thinking 4.6 swap or a M112 supercharger. But right now, we got the leather seats. That one's a little bit rough. But I only paid $75 for the whole set of leather. Got the back seats over there. Right here, I got an 8.8 inch rear end from the GT. Got limited slip. They're a little bit rusty from sitting, but it's got drilled inside the rotors. I blew the spider gears in mine on the stock 7.5 inch rear end. This is what we got right now for seats. And I'm in the process of swapping out right now. One down, 3 to go. Damn. Dirty. Time for the leather. All right, I'm gonna get this one out. That one's already out. Get this one out, the back out. I'm gonna vacuum everything up. Then we'll be ready to put the leathers in. God damn, these back ones are a bitch to get out. The front ones come out just easy, but these back ones, they just give you a struggle. You gotta use a big ass pry bar. Maybe I'm just a fucking weak link. I don't know. Both fronts are out. Now we just gotta take the backs out. All right, so I got one of these seat tops off. You gotta get a 15 mil and get in the crack and just start turning. It's kind of wiggle and play with it. Also, all of these were 15s as well. All right, now I have all the seats out. Now I just gotta clean this up a little bit, vacuum it up, and put the leather ones back in. Actually, I might put the leather backs in first and then vacuum. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. All right, now we got all the seats, all the leather seats in here. Like I said, I'm gonna have to find a replacement front one or something. But $75 for this set of 4. Everything works. Power seats. Go right over here. Everything works. So yeah, there's a little update on Sally. Stick around soon. There's gonna be a video coming out. I don't know if I'll put out before this one or after this one, but we are gonna be putting this 8.8 inch rear end out of a GT in it. Right now it's just got the stock 7.5 inch with no limited slip, and it's just a one-wheel wonder. But I destroyed the spider gears in it, and she's toast. She's toast. So yeah, that will be going in soon. All right, like and subscribe, stick around, watch the build. Plan on putting a supercharger on this little 3.8. I'm thinking maybe like, I'm either thinking Eaton E90 or M90 from like a Thunderbird SC, or Eaton M112 from the 03 to 04 Cobra. But it's super expensive to find the adapter plate, so that would be more of this winter type of project. But I got cold air intake coming in the way, grill deletes in the future, putting LEDs in the headlights. I also have the GT fog lights over here somewhere. I'm putting LEDs in the fog lights also. And sequential taillights are coming in soon. But yeah, just subscribe and hit that bell to keep updated on the build. Huh? What you got? You get dirty? You working on the car too, huh?